Hello students. So we have started with the derivatives board questions. One more question. X equal to root of a raised to sine inverse of t, y equal to root of a raised to cos inverse of t. So to show that dy by dx is minus y by x. Okay. So again here these are parametric. So we can take dy by dx as dy by dt upon dx by dt. So I am directly derivating this. So dy by dt with respect to t. So this is a cos inverse of t raised to half. So whenever there is a root, derivative of a root x is 1 upon 2 root x, right? So we'll get 1 upon 2 right here. Okay. Root of a raised to right here only. A raised to cos inverse of t into derivative of a raised to cos inverse of t. That is, you have to take the derivative of cos inverse of t first, that is minus 1 upon root of 1 minus t square. Then derivative of a raised to x is a raised to x log of a, right? Log a upon, you will get the same thing, only here it is sine inverse of t. And derivative is plus sine log a. So this is minus log a. Okay. So you'll get here this minus. Okay. So we want y by x. Y is cos inverse of t and x is a raised to sine inverse of t. So whenever you have x upon root of x, then we write this as root of x into root of x. Okay. So this we can write it as x root x upon x. So root x. So here root of x upon x is there, or x upon root of x is there. So this will be root of cos inverse of t. Same way in the denominator, you can apply this. Okay. So this becomes minus y by. Next question. Y equal to sine inverse of 2x upon 1 plus x square is given, plus sec inverse 1 plus x square 1 minus x square. So if you want to differentiate this, you have to make use of the trigonometric formulas. Okay. So if you look at the trigonometric formulas involving some 2x upon 1 plus x square. So if I substitute here 10, then that will be sine 2 theta formula, right? Sine 2x is 2 10x upon 1 plus 10 square x, right? Same way here also. This is sec is given. So sec means this is cos. Okay. Cos is what? 1 minus 10 square x upon 1 plus 10 square x. So this sec inverse is given. You can write this as cos inverse by taking this cos inverse of 1 minus x square and 1 plus x square. Okay. So we are putting x equal to tan of theta. Okay. So from this theta will be what? Tan inverse of x. Okay. So I will substitute in both. Y equal to sine inverse of 2 tan theta on 1 plus tan square theta. Okay. Plus sec inverse is, you can write it as cos inverse by taking this in the numerator, this in the denominator. So 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, so this becomes sine inverse of sine 2 theta plus cos inverse. This will be cos 2 theta, right? So this you can write 2 theta. This is also 2 theta. This becomes 4 theta, and theta we got tan inverse. So 4 tan inverse of x. This is your y. Now you can differentiate with respect to x. So dy by dx, 4 tan inverse of x derivative is 1 upon 1 plus x square. So 4 upon 1 plus x square. This is what we wanted. Okay. Next question. Tan inverse of root of 1 plus x square plus root of 1 minus x square upon root of 1 plus x square minus root of 1 minus x square is given. Okay. So here also we have to do some substitution. Okay, we want this to be some tan of something because outside it is tan inverse. Okay, so we'll put mostly, if this type of questions are given, mostly the substitution is cos theta. Okay, so x square is cos theta. So theta is cos inverse of x square. Okay, so tan inverse, this is our y, root of 1 plus cos theta plus 1 minus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta minus 1 minus cos theta. So this is half angle formulas we have to make use of. Okay. So we know that cos 2 theta is cos square theta minus sin square theta. That is our 2 cos square theta minus 1 and 1 minus 2 sin square theta. So making use of this, and we have to make the angle half, that is cos theta will be 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1. Okay, so 1 plus cos theta is root of 2 cos square theta by 2. Okay, and 1 minus cos theta is 2 sin square theta by 2. So root and square gets cancelled. Root 2, here root 2 remains, here also root 2 remains. So outside it will be root 2, here also outside root 2, that also gets cancelled. Okay, cos theta by 2 plus sin theta by 2, cos theta by 2 minus sin theta by 2. Okay, now we have to make it 10. So if you want to make it 10, then divide by cos theta by 2 for the numerator and the denominator. Okay, dividing numerator and denominator by cos theta by 2. So this will become 1. This is tan theta by 2. 1 minus tan theta by 2. Okay. Now there is a direct formula for this also, that is This is pi by 4 plus theta by 2. Tan of pi by 4 plus theta by 2. In other way, if you take tan pi by 4 plus theta by 2, this is tan a plus b. So tan a, that is tan pi by 4, 1 plus tan theta by 2 upon 1 minus tan pi by 4 into tan theta by 2. Okay. So you can write here tan inverse tan of, so we'll get pi by 4 plus theta by, so we have to make substitution here. Theta was cos inverse of x square by 2. So this is our y. So dy by dx is, this is 0, half is constant, derivative of cos inverse of x square minus 1 upon root of 1 minus x square raised to square. So x raised to 4. Okay. And we have to write derivative of x square, that is 2x. So this is minus x upon root of 1 minus x raised to 4. Okay.